This e-bike parking area at the Starbucks in Ladera Ranch is where I bought this specialized hard rock. Had this beautiful silver paint job with the speck underneath, and yeah, just hadn't really been used. So I gave it a nice wash, cleaned it up, and started taking everything apart. First, it was the rear wheel, just to make sure that the motor would actually fit. I started to take everything off and clean it using a sonic cleaner. You could go in and just let things clean while I worked and pulled the bike apart, taking off all the old components, things that I wouldn't be using for the e-bike build. This chain was just fun to clean. Didn't end up actually using any kind of chain at the end of the build. Yeah, so basically all the components of the bike went into the sonic cleaner and kind of turned into something new. Pulled off the bottom bracket, replaced it with a new one, and basically it's like giving an old bike new shoes. The crank just moves really smoothly. Cool. And with a little bit of elbow grease, a new 1,000-watt 52-volt hub motor electric bike.
I'll just do it like this. Whoa, I need both hands on.
No brakes are needed because it's got a coaster brake, so you can just pedal backwards to actually slow it down. I do have a front rim brake just for emergencies. And as you can see here, there's no chain at all. So it just reads your pedal cadence, and that is what determines your speed. I'm doing a little bit of pedaling backwards, you see there, just to feather the speed, and then you just go ahead and pedal forward, and it reads.
With no acceleration, just using the pedals.
And again, just by slowing down, pedaling backwards, you can get that deceleration.
So here I am. I'm not going to use the throttle at all. I'm just going to pedal. And okay, so no throttle. See that? Just pedaling. 20 miles an hour already. So I'm breaking the speed limit already. I'm just pedaling. If I want to slow down, see, that's just pedals. No handbrake, no nothing. Slow down. Feet. Okay, start pedaling again. Already over 20. See that? So yeah, this is how we're cruising. And, you know, the battery might go kind of quick, but yeah, it's not so bad. See, so without much work, I'm really cruising at 17, 16, 15 miles an hour. Like, I'm not doing anything for that. So this is a very, very simple e-bike. Not bad, huh?